Sheesh. Alright. It's gonna be fairly simple, I guess, install slash mod that I've been wanting to do. Got some taillight overlays from Premium Auto Styling. I said that right. So there's two different ones. They have a red one. I think there's three. I got the one that's half right here. So it's only half of this is gonna be red, the other half is gonna be white. I also added these black strips. So it's gonna have like lines here. I think it's gonna look really sick. It's actually a pretty easy install to do. It's just an overlay, so I'm gonna assume, yeah, so this is how it's gonna go right here. First things first, guys, just make sure that if you're gonna install any overlays, the headlights, tail lights, I mean, even when I did the chrome delete, you just gotta make sure you clean off the surface, wipe it down, make sure there's no dust, no dirt, and go from there. So. That's pretty good. Oh, hold on. Lift, go down slowly. So it's a little bit on the black, but that's okay because the other overlay is gonna cover it completely. This is how it looks right here. So you gotta take that off and plant face first right there. Okay, I see how they did it. Okay, so this is actually not that hard to do. It's just taking me a while. This is my first time doing it, and we all know that installing an overlay can sometimes be tricky. But in this case, not that bad. As you're putting it on, it's gonna overlay on top just a little bit. Okay, and then you just squeegee it all out. I'm gonna take my time and make sure everything's folded on top. That way we can see how it looks before and after real quick. I don't know about you, but I like it. Okay, so that's done. Now I just gotta do this one. So whatever I did to that side, I'll do the exact same thing on this side, because I mean, pretty self-explanatory. I figured out that if you start from this corner and work your way down, you'll be able to get everything in the way it's supposed to be. Check it out. I think it looks really good. Gives the tail lights a little bit of a slight difference. Let me close the trunk, that way you guys can see it a little bit better. Let's see. Really simple install video. I mainly did these because there is no other aftermarket taillights for the coupe, only for the sedan or the hatchback. So why not? I looked around and I actually just typed in, I didn't even know these existed actually. All I did was type in taillights for coupe just because I was bored, and it took me to Premium Auto Styling's website. So I said, why not? I saw pictures of it. I thought it looked pretty cool. Gives a little bit more taste, a little bit different style, but I think it does actually go with the flow of the car. So they do have one where it's just one red and one white on top, or you can get a whole overlay right here on the bottom, so it's red, and then you have the black. You don't have to get this. I got this just because I thought it would flow with the car, because it's like a little black accent right there. It's like black up here, so I thought it looks good. I think it looks good now that I'm seeing it in person. And for the price of it, just to change the style of it just a little bit, looks pretty good. So a little close up, that way you guys can see it. This is also basically like wrap, so you can stretch it out if you mess up. Just be careful when you do that, because if you stretch it out too much, it becomes too thin and it'll come off easier. But again, guys, just a quick and small install video for you guys to get the vlogs going. So that's gonna be it for today. Car's coming out pretty good so far. Wheels, suspension, exhaust, intake, lip. I got the lip on. If you guys haven't seen that video, check the link down below. It's the ProCivic style lip. Came out pretty good on the car. So I think the next thing I'm gonna do is either gonna be the intercooler, because I do feel a lot of heat soak when I do a couple pulls, and or K-tuner. So it might be both, it might just be one or the other. I don't know yet. I really do want to get that front pipe down pipe combo, but that's gonna be for later in the year. Just people, not later in the year, but like just not now, because you know it's more money I got to dump into this. So, and I'm also looking at some side splitters or side skirts, I guess. I'm either going to go with the HFP side skirt just to give it that good aggressive side, or I'm looking into some Aeroflow, but I'm not looking for one with the wind jet. And for the Coupe, it only comes with the wind jet. I don't know, or maybe I'll make one up myself. I'm gonna do some research and check all that out. Anyways guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys liked the video, hit the like button. If not, then I don't know what to tell you, but got some more stuff coming for the 10th gen. And yeah, like building this 10th gen has been, you know, he just wants to get in the mix. Peep the shirt. Yeah, I know my Christmas tree's still up. We're gonna take it down soon. We've just been really lazy. But what I'm saying is, it's been really fun building this car. You know, obviously it's not the 8th gen, so it's a completely different platform. For everybody that's new to the channel because of the 10th gen, for everybody that is following me because of the 8th gen, like still following me, thank you. And welcome to the channel. This is going to be an awesome build that's been coming up. And also more info about my wedding. We actually found a spot. So like I mentioned last year when we got engaged, we put it on pause because of COVID and everything, but now that it seems like it's getting a little better, we found a spot. So we're gonna go check it out together and hope for the best, because once this wedding is done, said and done, dude, the amount of stuff that's gonna come down for this car and specifically for the channel is gonna be insane. So how about them? On another note, I used to do a lot of Q&As for this channel. I think I did like 5 or 6 of them since I've had my 8th gen. And a lot of you guys liked it. So if you guys want me to do another Q&A, just let me know down in the comment section. If I get enough questions down in the comment section, I will answer them in another video. Or if not, then I will answer them in the comment section. I'll give it a couple days, maybe a week, until I see how many questions there are. And I'll go ahead and start answering them in the next following video. But like I said, if there isn't a lot, then I'm not gonna answer them in the video. I'm going to just answer them in there. Follow me on Instagram. Names for my Snapchat and my Instagram are in the description, as always. And sometimes I post on my story, so I'm going to be posting one soon. That way I can do another question video. That way we can get enough questions so we can get another video going out for you guys. Because who doesn't like Q&As? You get to know a little bit more about me and all that other stuff. But anyways, guys, I will see you guys in another video. Hope you guys have a good day. Stay healthy, stay safe. And right now, it's pretty hot in Southern California, so stay cool. I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day.